Hi Cashmere Hair followers, my name is Taylor Lamb. You can find me on Instagram at Taylor Lamb Hair. I'm going to be doing a video today with Cashmere Hair clip-in extensions. This is with their seamless line, and I'm going to show you the easiest way to curl them at home before you put them in your hair. Okay, I'm going to start by prepping the extensions by using the Cashmere Hair brush. This is specifically made for clip-in extensions, so make sure you grab this if you really want to have like the best at-home care for your clip-ins. But I'm basically just going to brush these out. And the way that the bristles are like made in the brush, that's what makes it stand out from any other just regular brush to buy. So once everything is brushed out, we are gonna take our wefts and we're gonna place them into this hanger. I'm gonna start just with the biggest size. It doesn't matter what order you go in as long as you get through them all. So I'm gonna take this, make sure that the clips are all closed, and we're gonna lay it flat against here. Okay, so I'm gonna take an inch and a half section starting from the outside, and I'm basically gonna be curling towards the right. So this is gonna be the first direction that we go towards. And you're gonna keep spinning. At the same time, I'm kind of clamping this open until I have about an inch of the bottom out. This is what's gonna give you like that messy, beachy wave look. And then we're gonna let it out. So this next section that we're gonna take, we're gonna be going the opposite way. So towards the face, we went to the right here. Now we're gonna go to the left. And by alternating like this, it's just gonna give us more movement, more of like a broken up curl. But if you guys have any other questions about techniques, Cashmere Hair has a lot of tutorials on their YouTube. So this is not just the only way. I'm gonna let this out. You're just gonna continue this process, alternating. So now I'm going to the right, twisting and pulling, leaving an inch of the ends out. You don't need to hold the curl for 30 seconds. You don't need to hold it even for 20, 5 to 10 maybe. Otherwise you're gonna be burning the hair. Last section. Okay, so once everything's curled, you're gonna let them set, which means that when they're warm, you're not gonna brush them out. You're gonna let everything cool down in this position. You're gonna get longer lasting curls that way, and they're just not gonna be as bouncy like if you brush them out. So you gotta let them set. We're gonna switch this weft out with another one. It doesn't matter which order you go as long as you get through them all. And we're basically gonna repeat that same exact process, alternating the curls, leaving an inch out, and then letting them set before we put them in. Okay, so once you have them in, you're just gonna take your fingers and brush them out. And this is gonna break them up, give them some movement, makes it that beachy wave. It's just super messy and cute. And look at the fullness that this gives me, you guys. And the seamless are perfect because it's not bulky, like you can't feel them. Sometimes with other extensions, if you put your hand here, you're really able to kind of feel that bulge. But these, seriously, if I'm putting my hand here, it just lays so flat. And that's why I love cashmere.